today's episode of Will It Flush?
3, 2, 1. Alright, that was toilet number 1. It's not flushing properly. Took about 8 seconds to flush. And still doesn't look like it's getting enough water if we compare it to toilet number 2, which is right next door, probably sharing the same pipes as toilet number 1.
How do we fix it? Usually there's a fill valve, a float, a flapper, things we can see inside the toilet, but this is a FlushMate. Let's Google it. Okay, so I checked the water pressure. It is great. There was no debris in the toilet. And now we are going to adjust the actuator because it is not right. Look at it. Number 1, number 2. Uh-oh. We've adjusted the actuator. Time to test it. Let's see how long it takes to complete a flush cycle. If this works, we move on to the final step, which is test it with the actual lid on to make sure it works for people. That'll be about 20 seconds, and I'm happy with that. Moment of truth. Yay! That's it. Happy toilet troubleshooting. Bye.